Let's make some corn salad. This is really Paula Deen's recipe, but I'm changing it some. I will put my recipe in the description and her recipe in the description so you can compare. But I'm going to use some Fritos, chili cheese Fritos, and mayonnaise, and green onions, mild cheddar cheese, red bell pepper, corn, queso, cotija, and I think that's it. And let's get started. I put my 3 ears of corn in the microwave, just like that, for 6 minutes. Now I've let them sit around and cool off, and then we're going to take the husk off, and the silk comes off very easily off the corn this way. Then I'll give them a rinse, and then you want to cut the corn off the cob. I truly believe that I was the first person on YouTube. I don't know if I really invented it, but I'm the first one that I know of that ever cooked corn in the microwave. And by doing so, the silks just fall off the corn. It's so nice and easy. And that video was a street food recipe of Mexican corn on the cob. You can check it out and see, and compare the dates of when that video aired and everything. But enough of patting myself on the back. And cut this corn off, and you want 4 cups of corn for this, or thereabouts. I know you're going to hate me, this is horrible, but I've started this recipe and I didn't have the camera on. So in the bottom of the bowl is the corn that I cut off the cob. I ended up with 3.5 cups. I think that's plenty because in her recipe she uses 2 15-ounce cans of corn that's drained, and it might be 4 cups, but I doubt it. Then I added my shredded cheddar cheese. I added 1 cup of mayonnaise that I guessed at, and the bell pepper. Now I'm adding the green onion. I just used the tops for a very mild flavor. And stir that a bit. I'm adding the queso cotija, which is very much like a Parmesan or a Romano. I'm using 1/4 of a cup. You want to get all this mixed up and then chill it in the refrigerator till it gets real nice and cold. Next, take your bag of chili cheese Fritos and do that. You want to bang them up a little bit, but not too much. Just so they're a little bit coarsely banged up. Add them to your corn salad that's been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Mix it in. You just want to, ideally, you want to mix the corn chips in, the Fritos in at the last minute before you serve it. Have a little bit in a side dish here. It's crunchy, it's corny, it's cheesy. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching.